Welcome back to this new video tutorial in Google Sheets. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to update the source data to pivot table report. And here you can see a pivot table report created from this data source. And suppose that currently I have the data till row number 28 here. And suppose I have added some more records here in my source data. Currently I have till 28, but after adding the data I have now the data till row number 32. So how we can update the new source data here in the pivot table report, we are going to learn. And to update the source data, we have to click on the report, then go to this editor. After going to editor, here we have to go to the top by scrolling it upward. Then here in this data source we have to click on this select data range option, and here we can either edit this manually by typing over here. We can make this, we can delete the G28 and make it G32. This is one method. Or here the Google Sheets is automatically suggesting for the new data source. We can click on this as well, then click OK. Now after clicking OK, your new data gets updated here. If you now see the grand total, it is 6111000. And if you go into your data source, then check the total of the sales value, it is 6111000. So the newly added data is now successfully updated here in the pivot table report as well. So this is the process of updating the source data in pivot table report of Google Sheets. And this was for today's video. Thanks for watching. We will again meet on next video.